All right, y'all, we at it again on a beautiful December rising. Knocked out the city barbecue again. This is a routine maintenance cleaning. All of that back there is normally black. As you can see, it turned out pretty darn good. We also cleaned the awnings today along with the sidewalks. It turned out pretty good. It's funny how when you actually get here, you really can't tell that it's dirty until you clean it. But yeah, they turned out good. Got the smoke pits over there. Let's go over here and check dining area out, or outside dining area. I went on and rinsed this area down. We normally don't do this section, but I went on and knocked it out. Just to show good faith, you know, show our appreciation, if you will. Next, stay tuned. Peace.